In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your browsing history on your Google Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what you have to do is open up the browser and select the menu icon up at the top right. And then where it says history, go ahead and select that. And then you can view your recent history over here, or you can select history at the top. Alternatively, you can also tap the Control and H key combinations on your keyboard to open this up. You can view by date as well as by category. And if you wanted to delete the browsing data, you can select the delete browsing data on the left side and adjust the time range and what items you want to remove by selecting them here. And then you would select delete data, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.